Very good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to learn our seventh lesson of EVS subject. Our lesson name is Places Around Us. In this lesson, we will learn about the public places around us, how public places are useful to us, how we should protect public places, describing public places like fairs and schools. Students, everyone take out your textbook and listen carefully, okay? So our first point is thinking. Rajat was sick one day. His father took him to the hospital. Can you name some other useful places around you? Yes, post office, school, park, bank and so on. These are the other useful places around you. Every day we all go to many different places. You go to your school every day. You may go to a park or a playground to play with your friends. What are the other places you find in your neighborhood? Let us find out. Places used by people are called public places. They are open to everyone. There are many types of public places around us. You can see, students, here are the some pictures of some places. Can you tell me the name of these places? Here are the four types of places. Places to learn, places to worship, places to shop, eat, play and have fun, and service places. School and colleges are the places where we can learn. Then temple, mosque, church, gurudwara, these are the places for the worship of God. And the shopping mall, park, movie theater, restaurant. These places are for the shopping, eating, playing and enjoying. And the bus station, railway station, airport, police station, fire station, post office, hospital and bank. These all places are the service places where we can take any type of service from them, like transport and traveling, safety and protection, communication, health and care and medicine, and financial services from the bank. These all places are the public places. We have learned about the public places around us. Now let us learn how these places are useful to us. Why do we need such places around us? How are they helpful to us? So the first we will learn about the places to learn. We go to schools to learn. When we grow up, we go to colleges and then to universities for further studies. We learn new things at school. We get to make new friends. So the schools and colleges are the very useful and important places for everyone. Then we will see about the places to shop, eat, play and have fun. Sometimes we feel bored and tired. So we go to places where we can play, eat, relax and have fun. A park is a large public garden or area of land. We can play games and even cycle inside a park. Apart from these, we can also enjoy seesaw, swings, slides, and monkey bars. Children like to play here. One can also take their pets for a walk and play with them in a park. We go to watch new movies in a movie theater. Watching movies with family is a good way to relax. Shopping malls are large buildings or a group of buildings. They are also called malls. They have many different shops. These shops are connected through a walkway that allow people to walk around. Apart from shops, the malls have restaurants, theaters and gaming zones. We can shop, eat, play and relax. What do you find in a gaming zone? Discuss with your classmates. I think the answer is video games, air hockey, bowling alley and so on. Am I right? After that, we will see about the places of worship. These are the places where we go to pray. Example temple, church, mosque and gurudwara. So students, do you like to visit these places? When is the last time you went to the temple and how you felt? Then next we have to know about the service places. Bus stations, railway stations and airports help us to go from one place to another. The police protect us from thieves and harmful people. They catch these people to punish them by the law. The police keep such people in the police station. In the case of fire, the fire station sends the firefighters and fire brigade to put out the fire. A post office helps us to send and receive letters and parcel across the country. A postman delivers our letters at home or office. We go to a hospital when we get hurt or fall ill. The doctors and nurses treat the sick and give medicines. We keep our money and jewelry in a bank to keep it safe. So students, you will be visiting a nearby public place. After visiting the place, you will see the uses of the place. But students, the rules and regulations to be followed before going there. After returning from there, you have to make one chart and write there your observation and experience related to this place. And you can discuss about the place with your parents or your friends. Then our next point is application. We now understand how different places around us are useful and helpful to us. It is our duty to protect these places. We can do so by following these practices. So the first practice is we should not spit or throw garbage near these places. And second is we should not write or draw anything on their walls. We should always stand in a queue at the bank or post office. At school we should follow all the rules. Did you know in our country smoking in public places is not allowed by the law? Smoking bans or smoke-free laws are public policies including criminal laws and occupational safety and health regulations that prohibit tobacco smoking in certain areas, usually in enclosed workplaces and other public spaces. Such policies are usually enacted to protect people from the negative health effects of passive smoking or second-hand smoke exposure. Then our next point is higher order thinking skill. You have to learn that a school is a public place where we go to learn new things. Draw a picture of your school in the box given. So students, this is your homework question, okay? Then next question is, have you ever been to a fair? A fair is an outdoor gathering. There are different rides, shows, food stalls and games at a fair. Draw a picture of a fair you want to visit. This is also your homework question. Here it is, our lesson is completed. Everyone have to read it 2 times, okay?